Virgin Money have got buy-to-let switch to fixed products. So what are these products? How can they help you as a buy-to-let landlord or a potential property investor? It offers you the security of a 5-year fixed rate with the flexibility of a 2-year ERC, meaning that after 2 years, if you wanted to remortgage to an alternative lender, if you wanted to switch to another product with Virgin Money, there'll be no early repayment penalties applicable. Yes, you heard me right. No early repayment penalties. One of the advantages is on a 5-year fixed rate, the lenders have a lower rental stress test. This is not just with Virgin Money. This is with pretty much all lenders within the market, because the way lenders work out how much you can borrow for a buy-to-let mortgage is dependent on the product that you're taking, how long, for example, you're fixing for. So, for example, if you're taking a 2-year fixed rate versus a 5-year fixed rate, the rental stress test for a 2-year fixed rate is usually higher, meaning that on a 5-year fixed rate, you can borrow more money from the bank to make that potential property purchase doable. This also gives you the certainty that if you wanted that 5-year fixed rate option where you wanted certainty knowing what your monthly payment is for the next 5 years, but then, for example, rates do come down and you have the option to refinance to an alternative lender or with Virgin Money, you can do that without penalties applicable. Now, I just want to take this back a bit and show you what I meant by the rental stress test and what potentially you could borrow on a 2-year product versus a 5-year product. So this is Virgin Money's buy-to-let affordability calculator. So today is the 15th of March 2024. So whatever you're seeing on here is as of today. Is the product fixed for 5 years or longer? No. So we're going to assume the client's taking a 2 or 3 year product for this. And just I've put a random figure of 5% in here. Now, it's a purchase. The property that the person wants to buy is 300,000. They want a 75% loan on the property, which is 225,000, and the anticipated rental income achievable for that property is £1,500 per calendar month. Now, just say this person was taking a 2 or 3 year fixed rate. The maximum loan available is £177,340 based on a rental income of £1,500 per calendar month. Now we're going to go back and we're going to amend it and say, yep, this person is actually looking to take a 5-year fixed rate. Now, does that make a difference on the overall loan? Yes, it does. See? So now the maximum loan is £206,800 because the client is taking a 5-year fixed rate product. So with Virgin Money, the difference on the rental stress test, if the client took a 2 or 3 year fixed rate product versus a 5-year fixed rate product, was £29,460. That was the difference between the loan amounts. So you can see clearly that the rental stress test makes a difference on the type of product that people are taking. This Virgin Money switch to fix can potentially help a lot of people, because on that 5-year product, you'll get the lower rental stress test, meaning that you'll be able to get the higher loan. That could potentially mean you getting that rental property that you want, but still having the option after 2 years to break the deal with no early repayment penalties whatsoever. The majority of lenders within the market, if you fix for 2 years, if you fix for 5 years, there's penalties within the 5-year fixed rate period. This is a unique product. Not the only one out there, but a unique product. My personal opinion is I think this is quite a clever product that Virgin Money have released, because it gives that stability for 5 years and gives you that lower rental stress test, meaning you could probably borrow more for any type of property that you want to buy. Please do remember that the figures that you were shown today were as of today, the 15th of March 2024. Remember, the rental stress tests can differ and it all depends on the rates available at the time, which will determine how much you can actually borrow as a mortgage loan. If you found this video useful, please do subscribe for more mortgage market news.